So Prithvi, the topmost devotee, showed her devotion by offering the essence of the earth element, fragrance, which is represented by the sandalwood paste, to Krishna, whom she met on the road. So as Kubja is actually, you could say, an expansion of Satyabhama, or Satyabhama's expansion, Prithvi, or Mother Bhumi. And Mother Bhumi's greatest contribution or greatest product is scent or fragrance. And this chandan is called Gandharaj. Sandalwood paste or crushed sandalwood makes a very beautiful, soothing, enervating, health-giving, satisfying fragrance, and that's considered to be the Gandharaj, the king of all rajas, the king of all scents and fragrances. So this is what Kubja was carrying, so she offered to Krishna. Krishna accepted that sandalwood with great joy, and then Krishna bestowed Madhurya Rasa on her. This is Rasaprada, Prahasan Rasaprada. What rasa? There's Madhurya Rasa, Vatsalya, Sakya, Dasya. So specifically, Rasaprada means giver or bestower. Krishna bestowed upon Kubja Madhurya Rasa. And he said, "O my devotee earth, know that the burdens caused by Kamsa and other demons have now been taken on by me. Therefore now you should stand up straight." So then, comforting Kubja in this way, Krishna then straightened out the blissful Kubja. So this is Vishwanath's commentary